So hey folks, hope yous are all doing great this time of year. The weather is fantastical. Oh, what a day. It's just beautiful and there's bikes everywhere. So I forgot to tell you how I dropped the MT-07. It just slipped my mind, just like it slipped out of my hands. No, what actually happened was, doing figure of eights, took a tight left turn and just didn't want to put my foot down. I don't know why I didn't just put my foot down. What an idiot. But as many have said before, accidents happen. And many people said, it's a learner bike. That's all it's for. So, another couple of weeks to go for my next lesson on the big bike. So it can't come soon enough. I think my time has come with the little MT. It's just, it served its purpose. And to be fair, I've owned it for just over 2 years. 2 years past January. So it's probably the longest owned 125. Unbelievable how many owners some of them have had. Scooters everywhere. Not your freestyle stunt scooters, obviously. Your motor scooters. So I just thought I'd head down to Ayr today. I think it's Motor Scooter Sunday today. Now clusters of cyclists. Ah, well, why not? They're entitled to enjoying the good weather as well. Wow, that was an awesome building. The double white lines for a reason, mate. And I've just got you on camera. Terrible. God, this is like hazard awareness video there. Treat others as you'd like to be treated yourself. I've complained about cyclists in the past. Complained about motorists in the past. I might even have complained about my missus in the past. Nah, I don't think I have. Well, complained about her at least. Only in case of she ever gets round to watching my YouTube channel one day. She might be giving me that accidental elbow in the eye while I'm sleeping, you know. Now these things happen. Seafront, shit. There's two seafronts. I'll go this one anyway. this looks vaguely familiar. I definitely picked a good day to come down here. Very cool Volkswagen Caddy. Fuck me, this is like a speed mountain.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
Right, I think I'll head along to Maidens. It's quite a nice spot, Air Beach. Nah, I've not been here for many years. Better. Although that ice cream van's made me hungry sitting behind that for so long. Oh, 30 mile an hour Mars. Oh, fucking hell. Excuse my French. Don't think I've ever actually been this road before. Oh, I could have made that overtake as well, damn it. But if in doubt, don't pull out. Welcome to Fisherton. Dunur. You deliberately taking 2 days to turn the corner, pal? Oh. God, I think that was an old GSA there. Like around 2001, 2002, that sort of shape. The shape Charlie and Ewan first used, in fact. Speaking of which, I've started watching that, The Long Way Up. So I've been neglecting my YouTube a bit this week. And there's a bike right in my back. Whoa. Alright. Ah, no, terrible. I'm glad I wasn't in a bigger bike. I'm glad I wasn't in a bigger bike. They might. On you go. Cheers, bud. Oh, cheers. Oh, that guy was saying a terrible place to put traffic lights just as you come round a bend. They caught me off guard a little bit there. I was watching him because I noticed the bike just in my mirror as I went to cut out past the cyclist. Oh wow. Now that is pretty special. Oh, make sure I'm still recording. Electric Brae. This is one of these optical illusion roads. You think you're going down, but you're actually going up. So it looks as if I'm going down the hill just now. But if I take my foot off the gas, hand off the gas, I actually start to slow down. Brilliant. Tarmac is beautiful as well. Oh shite, the wind caught me there as I hit that bend. Fucking hell. Welcome to Maidens. And this is where I went to the camping trip last year with the basic bikers who are no more, sadly. So the group just folded. Mark went back to his own channel, which was Ayrshire Vlogster, just a couple of months before, or probably more than that. In fact, I'm going to go into the farm. I'm not going to go right into the farm. I'm going to go and stick one of my stickers on their sign. And I'm trying to remember what's the name of the farm now. I got it wrong so many times when I done the vid, but I managed to cut it all out, thankfully. And I remember, don't go that way. I know, I thought there was a sign there. Look, I'm not going to bother Ian. Is it Ian? I'm sure it was Ian. Oh, wee bit of back out slidey action there. I'll just have a wee break here. Just turn the lawnmower off. It looks like this is going to be a two-parter, so I'll catch you in the next part. Cheers, peace out.